Quattroflow pumps are used for bioprocessing in over 50 countries worldwide, with over 250,000 pumps sold since 2012. So why are they so successful compared to other pump technologies? We are here at PSG Biotech in Germany, where the world-famous Quattroflow pumps are manufactured, and we're talking to the experts.
There are three main areas that are vital for bioprocessing. The first is to ensure that the pumps cause minimum damage to product to deliver the highest yield. Secondly, the pump must be easy to use and flexible to meet a wide range of process conditions in all kinds of different applications. And lastly, the technology must be extremely reliable and cover flow rates from process development to commercial scale. These three areas can be broken down into specific features. And when you look at the Quattroflow against other pump options on the market, it really does check all the boxes. So, our first requirement is gentle processing to ensure maximum yields. In order to protect the product, the pump must create low shear with low pulsation. Quattroflow's 4-piston diaphragm design was inspired by the pumping action of the human heart. It is specifically designed to be as gentle on biologics as possible with low pulsation. The next key requirement is flexibility and ease of use.
Some of the most attractive features of the Quattroflow pump include its ability to efficiently generate high flow rates at high pressures, to self-prime and maintain flow control stability.
For example, an oil pump becomes less efficient at higher pressures because of internal backflow, and this slip creates heat and shear. And even worse, a centrifugal pump is much less efficient at high pressures because its design has even more slip at high pressure.
One of the biggest pain points we hear very often is that other pump technologies are not self-priming, and that causes many headaches in terms of system design and operation. Unlike other pump technologies, the Quattroflow pump is self-priming, and on top of that, it can also dry run and it can pump high viscosity liquids.
A very important process in downstream is cross-flow filtration for concentration and buffer exchange. Here the transmembrane pressure and the cross-flow rate are critical parameters and heavily depend on the pump performance.
Based on a study carried out by Verdot, tests shown that when you increase the flow rate of a Quattroflow pump, it doesn't generate undesired overshoots, as it's seen in maglev pumps, and that can cause product damage.
For optimal TMP control, customers choose the Quattroflow pump because it's less sensitive to pressure variations compared to the maglev pump.
Lastly, customers look for the opportunity to scale up or down using the same technology, and it is paramount to maintain reliable pump performance.
If you're working with a peristaltic pump, you have to worry about spallation because it clogs filters, causes product damage and contaminates batches. And even more dangerous is the fact that excessive wear from friction and spallation can potentially rupture the tubing, causing total product loss.
Quattroflow has no product-wetted rotating parts, and it does not rely on tube compression to generate the flow. Also, because of its diaphragm design, it does not need a mechanical seal, which can be an additional source for spallation. Our broad range of sizes start as low as 1 milliliter per minute and scale up for large production at 16 cubic meters per hour.
We see every day cases where customers start with small Quattroflow pumps, and when the time comes to scale up production, it is an easy choice to use larger Quattroflow pumps.
I'm very proud of our best-in-class engineering and manufacturing, and our rigorous testing is extremely thorough to ensure the best quality pumps.
It feels so good to offer such a premium product that adds so much value to the industry.